So welcome to yet another crypto video. If you haven't subscribed to the clinic, please touch the button below, somewhere there. This is another crypto video. Now, those who are interested in cryptocurrencies and those who are just beginning out and you want to buy but you don't know where to buy from, there's this very wonderful app called Binance. Now, if you've ever heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Dogecoin, those many cryptocurrencies, and you want to buy them but you do not know how or where to buy them from, this is where I begin from. So how does Binance work? Now I want to buy VeChain, but I cannot buy directly from their website because it's a complicated process and I'm not a computer hacker. I want something simpler. So Binance has some VeChain in store for me. I have some money on me. They connect me. They act like middlemen. This is business. Yeah. It is simple, self-secure, and very easy to use. Also, Binance has like I think two versions of two platforms, or should I call them two versions? I failed to get a word, but there's Binance Lite and there's Binance Pro. Now, how do you navigate to the Lite version? Because that's what we're going to be using most in this video. You just go to the top left corner on your app and you tap. It's a button. It's something that has like a command. You tap it, and then you'll be able to switch to Binance Lite. It is that simple. So I'm a crypto enthusiast. Okay, I love crypto, yeah, and every day that passes, I'm always looking for a better way or a platform that can help you buy and hold or transact or trade these coins very easily. And that's how I came across this platform, Binance. Now, I know it's not a very new platform, it is quite old. But if you're new into crypto and you're looking to buy, you might not know which platforms are the best or which platforms you can trust with your money, yeah? Because scammers are also many. Scammers are very many. And in Uganda, they are everywhere. And if they sense any fear in you, they will come for you. Yeah, we shall come for you. I'm not a scammer, but if we sense fear in you, we shall use it against you. So this platform gives us many ways in which you can buy cryptocurrencies. And I think that's a very good thing, yeah? So the first and I think the easiest way is you deposit money on your wallet. Then that money takes about 30 minutes to reflect. Then you can buy. So what you've deposited there is what we call fiat. Fiat is your local currency, Ugandan shillings for my case. You can use credit card or mobile money. I'm Ugandan. I'll always go for the mobile money option. There's like a 3% charge that comes along. Like if you deposit 300k, you don't get 300k. You get around 290 something. That is the math. But after it has reflected in your wallet, that's when you can buy cryptocurrencies. And the buying option is really simple. You navigate to the platform if you're using the Lite. If you've switched to the Lite version, there is then you scroll down through the coins. There are very many coins. You have to do your research before you come into these things because you might buy today, and what was 300k today, tomorrow it's like around 100k. Then you'll be like, eee! It happens. It can also be the other way. Your 300k becomes 600k. So you have to do research. So after making your research, you can come and press the buy option. You'll realize that some coins you can buy with Ugandan currency, some coins you cannot. For example, if I tried buying ADA or Cardano with UGX, you will see that it is possible. They'll tell you can buy some ADA in between I think 60,000 to 6 million. If you tried buying Dogecoin, you see it's possible. But if you tried buying something like, let's say, Sand, they'll tell you to first convert it to USDT. So what's USDT? You realize that most currencies are paired with either BUSD or USDT. USDT is Tether. BUSD is the Binance version of the USD coin. They are both versions of the US dollar. So with most coins, they'll first tell you to buy USDT or BUSD, then you convert, which it shouldn't be a scary process or a hard process. It's like you're just selling your Ugandan currency into the dollar, but the dollar this time is also crypto. It's Tether or it's BUSD. Then after selling it into that dollar version, you can buy with you can buy every currency with that. I think that's the easier version. You first sell your Ugandan currency to the USDT or BUSD, then you buy. But the only problem is that in that process of converting, you will lose a few, not very much. They won't eat you, but you will lose a few shillings. you're doing those conversions. It's a very, very small fraction. You won't notice. And remember, in crypto, we're trying to maximize profit. So even those little things, we want to collect them and put them together. So that brings me to the second way you can buy and sell crypto, which is peer-to-peer trading or P2P trading. So what is peer-to-peer trading? Now, you know how when you wanted to buy most of those currencies, you needed to first convert into Tether or BUSD for you to be able to afford them. Now, with peer-to-peer trading, there is someone who has already bought the Tether, someone who has already bought the Ethereum, or there's DAI, there's BTC. So you don't need to do any conversions. And then also, it happens at a 0% fee. So you skip that 3% charge that they were charging you at first when you deposit directly from your wallet. So it is cheaper, and I think it helps you maximize profit. So if I wanted to buy Tether or USDT, I'll just go directly to the peer-to-peer trading platform in Binance. Then I scroll through and check. There are lists. There are very many peer-to-peer traders. Then I choose one that is suitable with me, or one that I like, or one that has very good rates. Then I start the transaction. It is quite simple. You will notice that most of these guys, they accept mobile money, they accept Airtel money, they accept cheaper cash. Some actually accept Eversend. They have different forms in which you can send them money. So you send the guy money and he sends you coins on your wallet. It is that simple. And they also have their rules. I think there's a payment window of about 15 minutes. If you fail to do that in 15 minutes, the guy can either block you, or if he's quite lenient, he will forgive you. But I don't think there's anyone who will forgive you, because this is not window shopping. You don't come to someone's shop and then you place in an order and then you don't buy. Yeah, you understand? So they have their terms, they have their own dollar rates, and the app also shows you how many trades they have carried out in a day. Yes, not in a day actually, I think over their lifetime period. So you would see someone has like about 600 trades, which means you can trust them. Some guys have like 1,000 trades. Some guys have many trades. It's a cheaper alternative of buying these coins. You send him money on his mobile money, then he sends you your coins you want. Now I know most Ugandans here are like, shit, isn't that risky business? Because trusting someone, first sending someone money before they even send you your coins alone it's a scary sight. But it shouldn't scare you, because not everyone can be a peer-to-peer trader on Binance. Yeah, there are only people that have been verified and accepted to sell you this currency, so you shouldn't be scared. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more crypto content, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to leave a comment down there. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.